Have you ever spent hours doing the same tasks at work? Checking emails, entering data, creating reports, or sending messages? What if AI could handle some of that work for you? That's the idea behind AI automation. AI automation uses AI to complete repetitive tasks with less manual effort, and you don't need to be a programmer to use it. For example, imagine you receive many emails every day. AI can help organize those emails, summarize long messages, and prepare replies. You still check the final reply, but you don't have to start from zero every time. AI can also help with data entry. Imagine receiving customer information through an online form. Instead of copying everything into a spreadsheet manually, automation can move and organize the information for you. This saves time and reduces repetitive work. Another useful example is meetings. After a meeting, AI can create a short summary and list the important tasks. Instead of reading pages of notes, you can quickly see what needs to be done. But remember one important rule: don't automate everything. Some tasks need human judgment. For example, a simple reminder can be automated, but an important business decision should still be made by a person. AI should support your work, not replace your judgment. So, how can you start? First, find one task that you repeat often. Second, check if the task follows the same process each time. If it does, it may be a good task for automation. Third, start small. Automate one task, test it, and check the results. You don't need to change your entire workflow at once. A freelancer can automate client follow-ups. A business owner can automate simple customer messages. And a professional can automate repetitive office tasks. The goal is simple: spend less time repeating tasks and more time doing valuable work. So today, look at your daily routine and find one task that takes too much time. Ask yourself, can AI do part of this work for me? If the answer is yes, start there. AI automation is not only for technology experts, it's becoming an important skill for modern professionals. If you found this video helpful, comment below and tell me which task you would like to automate. For more practical videos about AI, business, career success, professional communication, productivity, cybersecurity, and future skills, subscribe to FutureSkill Hub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.